क्या आप अपने बच्चों को लेकर हमेशा चिंतित रहते हैं कि आप उनके लिए सही कर रहे हैं या नहीं? यदि हाँ, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए ही है। Today's video is all about understanding why parenting in today's world has become so difficult and stressful, and what real steps as a parent you can take to bring peace, harmony, and balance back into your family life. Welcoming you to yet another informative and interesting video on the most important topic, parenting stress. मैं हूं आपकी अपनी डॉक्टर चंचल from Vedanand Wellness Center. So why parenting has become so overwhelming today? Let's face it, modern parenting is very different from how our parents raised us. Nuclear families, सोशल मीडिया का प्रेशर, काम और परिवार के बीच में बैलेंस, कंप्लीटिंग टारगेट्स, लेट वर्किंग आवर्स, बच्चों के स्क्रीन टाइम की चिंता, बच्चों के एग्जाम्स का स्ट्रेस एंड कंपटीशन की होड़, ये सब एक साथ आ जाने से स्ट्रेस और बढ़ जाता है। व्हाट आर मेजर टेंशन सोर्सेस? टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट, टाइम की कमी होना, लैक ऑफ रेस्ट and sleep deprivation. Due to lack of sleep, cortisol elevates, and which is associated with stress, anxiety, and other health problems. Now, comparing yourself with so-called perfect parents, we saw social media posts and start comparing our real life with their real life, which increases stress. Guilty of not being present. Sometimes our official event and our child's event clashes and we are not able to physically present there. This brings guiltiness and the stress increases. Fear of judgment from the society. लोग क्या कहेंगे? इसका स्ट्रेस हमेशा बना रहता है. Educating your child in the best school. Financial stress. Every parent wants to give education to his or her child in the best school of the locality and the best lifestyle to their child. And this demands finances and hence brings the financial stress in parents. मेरा बच्चा हर चीज में आगे रहे, कहीं पीछे ना रह जाए। आगे रहने की ओर, अपने बच्चों को आगे रखने की होड़ हरदम स्ट्रेस को क्रिएट करती है। इस चीज का स्ट्रेस पेरेंट्स में हमेशा ही बना रहता है। Now, let us discuss the common issues faced by the parents. Child's behavioral issues, tantrums, screen addiction, lack of focus, and lack of interest in core subjects. What is the solution? Set clear boundaries. Tell them personal limits and the family's rules and regulations. Acceptable and non-acceptable behavior to stop tantrums. Follow reward system to help them to remain away from the screen. Unplug hours. Help them to develop habit to remain away from all electronic gadgets for few hours and utilize that time in playing chess, carom, snake and ladder or cricket or table tennis or badminton. This will inculcate sportsmanship in them and also will help them to increase their focus. Help them to learn their core subjects through activities, poems, rhymes, or by joining first alphabet of the sentence like Hey lichi na kha rab kose ga fir. This is to learn first column of the periodic table. Hey H hydrogen, lichi Li lithium, Na Na sodium, Ka K potassium. In this way, you can help them to make their study innovative. This will help them to enjoy their studies, they will develop interest in their subjects and ultimately learning will be very easy for them and automatically they will develop interest in their studies. And yes, help them to join activity classes to know their real interest. Every child is unique with different abilities. Not every child is very good in the core subjects. Like अगर कपिल देव, रवि शास्त्री, विराट कोहली, सचिन तेंदुलकर को भी उनके पेरेंट्स ने साइंस और मैथ्स के पीछे भगाया होता तो क्या वो क्रिकेट के मैदान में इतना तेज दौड़ पाते? क्या वो इतने महान कलाकार हमारे बीच होते? नहीं। इसी तरह लता मंगेशकर जी को या राज कपूर जी को साइंस और मैथ्स के पीछे भागना पड़ता तो क्या ऐसे दिग्गज कलाकार हमें मिल पाते? बिग बी की कहानी हम सब के सामने है। उन्होंने भी साइंस को परस्यू किया, बीएससी किया, पर फिर फिल्म्स को अपना करियर बनाया और वो सदी के नायक कहाँ कहाँ खड़े हैं, उन सब का काम हमने देखा है। So let's help your child in learning whatever is their real inner thirst. Chisel his or her qualities. Don't force your undesired goals into them. They are different beings with different capabilities, with different abilities. Help them to pursue their abilities, explore their abilities. In this way, you will see how your child will shine in this world. Teenage communication gap. They don't open up or become aggressive. What is the solution? Listen more, react less. Listen to them just to listen, not to advise. Yes, afterwards, give them solution through some anecdote or ask them only for all the possible solutions of the problem they shared. Create a safe space for them to speak. Listen to them with open mind and then give solution also with an open mind. This will make you their mentor and they will speak to you without hesitation. Disagreement between the parents. Different personalities, different parenting styles leads to stress. What is the solution? Respect each other's personality, respect each other's parenting style, and then co-create a common approach. Before talking to children, have a conversation among yourself. Comparison and guilt. I am not good mom, I am not good dad. What is the solution? Stop comparing yourself with real parents. Value yourself. Whatever you are doing is the best as per your capability. Remember this. What can you do as a parent? अच्छा पेरेंट होने का मतलब परफेक्ट पेरेंट नहीं है, बल्कि अपने बच्चों के लिए मौजूद रहना है. These are the few practical tools by which you can improvise your parenting style. Keep a parenting journal. Write all the activities of your child in the journal and write 3 wins every day. Show it to your child as an encouragement and use it as a checklist. Have family meetings and get together. Every weekend, arrange a family meeting and get together. Take everybody's feedback and share all the activities of week in that. Sharing is caring. This will make the bonding strong. Learn to say no without guilt. Take self-care time, me time without apology. Join sport groups, parenting sport groups, online, offline, or in nearby region, whichever is feasible for you. This will keep you updated. Remember these quotes. Your child doesn't need a perfect parent, they need a happy one. Your child doesn't need your 24 hours, they need your quality time. So, spend time with your child diligently. Share your issues with your child and make them part of open conversation. If you are feeling stressed, overwhelmed, please save this video as a reminder and remember you are not alone. Your love is felt, your efforts are seen. You are most needed in your family and your family revolves around you in the same manner as Earth and other planets are revolving around the sun. And you are the most important and your presence matters a lot more than any perfect parenting tip ever will. If this video gave you a little comfort, give a thumbs up, share with another parent who might need this reminder today. Yes, subscribe for more honest conversation and write in comments on what topic you want the next video. और हाँ, अगर आपके अपने बच्चों के साथ कुछ इश्यूज हैं प्लीज शेयर करें, हम तत्पर हैं उनको सॉल्व करने के लिए. अपने लिए थोड़ा जेंटल बनिए, अपने आप को प्यार करिए, अपने आप को खुश रखिए, क्योंकि आपका सबसे अच्छा रूप वही है जो प्यार करता है, हर दिन सुनता है, हार नहीं मानता। मस्त रहें, स्वस्थ रहें और थोड़ा डिसिप्लिन और बैलेंस भी रहें और यही अपने बच्चों को सिखाएं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर।